Rachel.
Yes, good evening. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Hmm? How are you? Oh, what is the weather in Vietnam now?
Oh, the weather in Vietnam is windy.
It's windy. Okay, it's windy. In my country, the weather is very hot, Carol. So hot. Okay. Okay, I have here. Wait, me ha, Carol. So how are you doing? Okay, so today, what did you do today? Carol, what did you do today, Carol?
Today I go to school and then after school I take a shower
And
and do my homework.
wow, very good. So do you have a lot
And
of homework? Do you have a lot of homework?
yes, I do.
So we have here. Let us talk about bad service. Okay? Teacher Ann will share it to you. It's bad service. What do you mean by bad service? When you say bad service, what is it? Bad service, it means what? Bad service. What do you mean by bad service? What comes into your mind when you hear the word bad service?
The best service is service
Again?
isn't good. Is a service isn't good. Not good.
Okay, it's the service that it's not good. Okay, bad service, it means it's not good service. Of course. So, Carol, okay, have you experienced eating in the restaurant and then your you have experienced bad service in the restaurant? Have you experienced that? Have you experienced bad service?
No, I haven't.
Okay, wait me ha, just a minute. Tama, tanong cellphone. Ang charge. Hindi ba? Tanggal. Okay, Carol. So we have here.
Okay.
So Now, have you experienced you eat in the restaurant? And then, when you eat in the restaurant, the waiter giving you a very bad service. Have you experienced that?
No, I haven't.
Okay, no, you haven't. Okay. So, how might you complain if the service you received from your waiter was bad?
I think I will tell that to the manage to the manage.
Okay. So, how you might complain if the service you received from your waiter was bad? Example, you went in the restaurant and the service is not good. Okay, what you will gonna do?
I will tell to the manage.
Okay, so what you are gonna do?
I will tell to the manage.
You will tell to the manager, not manage. I will tell to the manager.
Manager.
Okay, so here, now let us read the dialogue. Okay, so we're going to talk here. After this, I will ask you what we are talking here. Okay, so I am the customer and you are the manager. Okay, ready?
Hi,
Okay,
my
hi.
stick is still.
Hi, my stick is still raw. Will you take it back to the kitchen, please?
Terribly sorry about this. I will have the waiter handle it.
Okay. I would prepare if somebody else would take care of it. I told him about it earlier, but he was rude and told me the stick looked fine to him.
If that's so, I will speak to him and ask him to apologize.
Thank you. Will you also have someone bring me another dinner plate? The one I have has a crack.
Certainly, sure. Once again, sorry for the bad service you received. As a token of our apology, we won't be charging you for your meal tonight.
Okay, that is very good of you. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Thank you for your patience.
My pleasure. Okay, so what do you think they are talking, Carol? When you read the conversation, what do you think they are
They are
talking about?
they are talking about bad service.
They are talking about
Bad
bad,
service.
bad service. Okay, so they're talking about bad service. Okay, that's very good. So, what the manager or what the customer is trying to complain? So what the customer complained in the dialogue? She complained about,
The best service.
okay, the raw stick. Okay, the stick is raw. Okay, that's what the customer complained. And what do you think the manager is trying to say? What do you think the manager is trying to say?
The manager will speak to the waitress.
Okay, the manager is,
Speak to the waitress.
okay, you speak to the waitress. Okay. Now, so the manager will speak to the waiter or waitress because of what the waitress is doing or the waiter is doing. Okay, so as a sort of token for apology, what did the manager said? What the manager said? The manager is,
The manager said that he will speak to the waitress and ask him to apologize.
okay, he will speak to the waitress and ask him to apologize. Okay, so what is the token for that? The token is what? What is the token for that?
Talking is about best service.
Okay, it is the best.
Service.
Okay, best. Okay, the token is the manager is giving a
Service.
free meal tonight, or there is a free meal, so they won't charge the meal. Okay, that's the token. It means the token. They won't charge the meal. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay. So here, Carol. Okay. So please try to answer the question, Carol. Okay. Please try to answer the question. This one. Okay, we have three questions here. Number one, what was the customer complaining about? What was the customer complaining about?
Customer complaining about the best service.
Complaining about the
The best service.
best service. Okay, the bad service. Okay, they are complaining about the bad service. Okay, what would you say to the manager if a waiter was rude to you? The waiter is very bad to you. What you will gonna say to the manager?
I I would say
What you will gonna do?
would say that the waiter is rude to
the customer, what would you say to the manager if a waiter was rude to you? Of course, you will gonna tell the manager what did you experience from the waiter. So the first thing, you will gonna tell the manager. Okay, next, what would you say, Carol, to the manager or to the waiter if your order was undercooked or overcooked? So it means it's raw and it's overcooked. What you will gonna tell to the manager? Okay, so what you are gonna tell? What would you say to the manager if the waiter serving you food, give you food and it's not cooked or it's overcooked?
I can tell my food is undercooked. So can't you exchange the food? Exchange exchange this food for me.
Okay, so you are gonna say, please exchange this food from me because the food is overcooked or undercooked. Okay, of course. Do you want to change it? Okay, next one. Okay, so here. Now here, fill in the missing letters of the words to complete the sentences. Now, fill in the missing letters of the words to complete the sentences. Okay, please fill in what do you think is the correct word to complete the sentences. Okay, done?
Yes,
Okay, so I wish the waiter was not so. What is the answer to number one?
I wish the waiter was not so rude.
Okay, was not so rude. He made this experience so terrible. Two, excuse me, can you take this back to the kitchen? The kitchen is so blank in the middle.
I don't know.
Okay. Can you tell me, excuse me, can you take this back to the kitchen? The kitchen still blank in the middle. Okay. The chicken, not kitchen. It's row. R-A-W, row in the middle. Three, I have been waiting for over an hour to be served. Can you blank it? Can you? What is it?
Change it.
Okay, very good. Can you change it? The waiter was so rude. He didn't even blink when he brought us to the wrong dish.
The waiter was so rude. He didn't even apologize when he brought
Apologize. Again, apologize.
apologize
Um,
when he brought us the wrong dish.
okay, very good. So, do you know the word apologize? What is apologize, Carol? What do you mean by the word apologize? What is apologize?
Apologize is like sorry.
Okay, like sorry.
Sorry.
Okay, like sorry. Okay, apologize. It means sorry. Okay. Okay, when you say the word, it means you apologize, you say sorry. Okay, can you please tell me the letter of your choice? Choose the correct expression for each situation. Number one, what do you think is the correct answer? A or B? Okay, what is the answer?
Number I
Number
choose
one.
A. A.
A. A. Excuse me, you give me very good, the wrong order. Okay, 2. The fish that you entered was served raw. Who will you tell to the waiter? What will you tell?
I choose letter A.
Okay, correct 3. The waiter that served your order was very rude. What will you tell to the manager?
Mm, Letter B.
It's letter B. The waiter has served the food. Can you please go? Okay, very good. 3. 4. You have been waiting for an hour for your order. What will you tell the waiter? Okay, number 4. You have been waiting for an hour for your order. What will you tell to the waiter? Oh my God, it's very, very long. Okay, so what you were gonna say?
I choose letter A.
Letter A. So you will say, excuse me, I have been waiting for almost an hour. Can you handle this? Okay, so this is the one they're talking about. Very good, Carol. Great job for tonight. Okay. Okay, next.